Hi everybody. Well, I did the video, but I forgot to hit record, so I'm going to do it again. I'm a little short of breath now, but I'm going to do it again. I got this happy mail from Chiquita Crochet. Her name's Deborah, but I like calling her Chiquita because I just envision her as a feisty little lady, and I have seen a picture of her. She is beautiful. So it says to scratch off the blue paint, which I did. It says, Kathy, God loves you. Send them prayers. That is so sweet and so creative. And she has 3 Bible verses on the back. Stand firm in the faith. 1 Corinthians 16:13. Faith is being sure of what we hope for, Hebrews 11:1. The Lord is faithful to all his promises, Psalms 145:13. I hadn't opened it before I recorded it the first time because it had tape on it and I didn't want to be embarrassed trying to open it online. But, yeah, my goodies inside are phenomenal. So here is what was inside. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful papers. And it says, My Journey. And Chiquita dyes papers. And she sent all these little doilies that she dyes. And she knows pink is my color. I'm glad she didn't send purple. Normally she'll send me something purple just for giggles. But look at this. It's got a K on it. And it's got a butterfly on it. And it's just adorable. I mean, she is creative. She finds some good stuff. I love this tag too. So she made a tag pocket. And this little tripod here says, Safe Passage. So, hi, Kathy. I hope you feel better. Sorry I'm late. Had a great fall and recuperating. Lots of hugs and prayers. Deborah at Chiquita's Crochet. Well, Deborah, I hope you are getting better. I'm sorry you had a fall. I hope you feel better, and you will be in my prayers. And everyone, please keep Chiquita in your prayers for her fast recovery. But look at these neat, awesome tags. Aren't they cute? I love this. Haven't seen this one yet, but I've kind of been out of the touch with the paper crafting for a while. I guess I might have to get back into it now because I can't do anything else. I love this paper. I really love this paper. So Chiquita, when you're up to it, message me and let me know what pack this is. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart here. You are recovering and you took time to think of me. I'm going to get Mr. Pete to put me up one of those pieces of twine. Instead of keeping everything on my desk, I want to use these little tiny paper clips and just hang them so that when I'm in here, I can look up and see, you know, that there are people that care, there are people that are praying for me, and I do appreciate it so very, very much. Alright guys, I have to go to the neurologist, so I'll be back as often and as much as I possibly can be here, okay? Had a bad day yesterday, so breathing's kind of sucky today, but I'm not giving up. I won't give up. I'll see you as soon as I can. Bye-bye.